A weekly grocery list often turns into a scramble of sticky notes, forgotten items, and duplicate purchases. AI tools now transform that chaos into a structured plan. By analyzing past purchases, dietary preferences, and even local sales, these systems suggest quantities and prioritize essentials. Some apps integrate with smart fridges to track inventory in real time, flagging items running low before you leave home. The result is a dynamic list that adapts to your week, adjusting portions for planned dinners or skipping ingredients you already have. This isn't just about convenience. It reduces food waste and saves money by preventing overbuying. The core technology relies on pattern recognition and natural language processing to understand vague entries like some veggies and turn them into specific produce. For anyone tired of wandering aisles without a clear plan, AI offers a quiet but powerful upgrade to a routine task. The takeaway is simple: a smarter list means a smoother week, and the tools are already in your pocket.